Here's how to add comments in Google Docs. The process works the same way on the web and desktop versions. Start by selecting the text, image, or position where you want to add a comment. Click and drag to highlight the text. It'll turn blue when selected. If you don't select anything, the comment will attach to the word closest to your cursor. Next, click the Add Comment button in the toolbar. It's the icon that looks like a speech bubble with a plus sign inside. A comment box will open on the right side of the document. Type your comment into the text field. You can type any feedback or note you want to leave. When you're done, click the Comment button at the bottom of the comment box. Your comment will appear on the right side of the document, and the text you highlighted will show a comment indicator. Here are a couple of things to keep in mind. If you want to notify someone about your comment, type @ followed by their name or email address anywhere in the comment. Google Docs will suggest names as you type. Select the person from the list and click Comment, and they'll get a notification. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Alt+M on Windows or Command+Option+M on Mac to open the comment box faster. To close a resolved comment thread, click Resolve in the top corner of the comment. To edit or delete a comment, click the three dots on the comment and select Edit or Delete. Thanks for watching.